I was always practicing with myself. I was not interacting with people. So I really wanted to have conversation.
So you are teaching now.
Yeah, online, offline, both.
Wow, yaar. And you're so sweet, yaar.
And all the time, YouTube, English, English, English. I really love to write journal. Okay, so I think in student life, what happens? We don't have clarity. What we want to do, what we can do.
No, but my motto is just to motivate people. Like you can learn English, and we are not here to be a fluent native speaker. If we are comfortable with this language and having the conversation with someone, it's okay. We don't need to use fancy words, this, that, whatever.
I was even not able to read, not able to understand, not able to write properly. I was just memorizing. At that my college time, nobody was there, nobody was talking with me. Can you imagine? That was time, it was very difficult. I can't tell you how we suffered and how we struggled and how we managed. Yeah, everything is good.
Okay, actually I'm not using my mic. I don't know what's wrong with my mic today. It's not working properly. But hope.
Yeah, you are in all set.
Yeah, all set. Everything is good. Yeah. I'm continuously, upgrading my setup and all these things because it's important. I think.
Great.
What you?
Great. Amazing. Just looking amazing. The background and also the organization is also great. Yeah, it's perfect for the.
You will edit. You will edit it. Okay. Wait. So actually, we met for the first time on Telegram. You remember?
Yeah, I'm remembering that whole things. Okay, don't think that I forgot. I still remember that we met on Telegram, and I don't know. I think it's been 3 months or 4 months, maybe.
That time, you had
that
just.
That was our first starting time.
Yeah, you just started these kind of conversations.
Yeah.
And that time, you had just, I think, around 60-70 subscribers. On YouTube. The journey, everything is good, like.
That time we talked and we discussed about my YouTube channel. Even I was sharing about the YouTube journey, like what I want to do. I want to make conversation video, and I want to talk with people on video call, and I want to record, and I wanted to upload. But initially that time I was not getting people. Okay, so that's why I was going on Telegram and connected. And just approaching people for the conversation, because I didn't know how to start and how to email YouTubers. Now you are connected, you know everything, but previously nobody was there to guide me.
So that time you started, you thinking about it to make these kind of conversation videos?
Yeah, I didn't know that time, but really I wanted to make collaboration video. So having two people talking each other, understanding, what we can say, experimenting kind of thing. I really wanted to do, because I was always practicing with myself. I was not interacting with people. So I really wanted to have conversation and talking about English and uploading on YouTube. So that was my dream, and I fulfilled. I can say that.
And so that time you just started, I think, learning English when we met, or I think in June month.
Yeah, so actually,
tell me about
learning. Okay, I was learning, but I was not connecting with people. And when we joined on Telegram, that time it was my initial for the having conversation. But I was practicing English. It's been 2 years that I have been practicing English. More than 2 years. But I'm not connecting with people. But it's just, you can say, 4 months that I have completed having conversation with people.
And you are also singing songs or these kind of things, I think. I watched some videos on your Instagram, I think, or YouTube as well as.
Okay,
Such a
yeah, yeah. We also explored on Instagram each other, I think.
Mhm,
We
yeah,
shared
yeah,
our ID. Yeah.
I know.
So that
I know.
time it was your
Don't-
initial?
What?
That time it was your initial, or you were just.
Yeah, yeah, same. Like I was also, I started at that time in June month, I think. From 1 July, I started uploading, on a daily basis.
Yeah, actually, we started same time. I can say that.
Same, I think. Yeah. But
Yeah,
before
but
that, you
you
were
were
also.
making solo video. You were making solo video, and I was
Mm,
making conversation video.
conversation videos. Yeah. And you know what? Like before that, I think you were also making content about English.
Solo video I was making. Yeah.
Mm,
Like on Instagram, I was active on Instagram for the short content or reels. I
reels.
was making challenging video. Yeah.
Challenging video. Oh, challenges.
Mhm. I started like 100 days challenge for speaking
Mm,
English. Like that I started.
I also took challenge, but I failed in that. But it's a
Yeah,
good thing
sorry.
because
What is it?
I took also a 100-day challenge on my Instagram, and I have all the stories. I was putting stories on a daily basis. Like I will speak in English. So I did this, but
Yeah.
I failed. I did just around 20 or 25 days, but it was good. We should do this.
Yeah. Yeah, I was also only made approx 30 or 40 days. After that, I stopped making. Then
Mhm.
I started having conversation with searching people. And that time we met. And I even approached you on Telegram that we can start in this way. I was not understanding like with whom I will start. So I was approaching people where people are speaking any platform
Mhm.
or application. Even I tried in application also, Talk Now application. Yeah.
So didn't you know about Skype at that time?
No, I didn't know.
Mm.
I only knew about like approaching people or having some Zoom, Google Meet, but I was thinking that it will not possible for the recording proper way. Sorry.
Mhm.
So I was thinking recording process is important here, and also we need collaboration video. So in Zoom meeting, and I don't know it happened or not.
Okay. It's it's possible or not, but it's
But
good.
one of my friends told me about Skype. He
Hmm.
he was also searching. Like I told him that I really want to start my YouTube journey, talking with people, and I don't join any tutor classes applications which is
Mhm.
paid. Yeah.
Okay,
So
like
I
clapping,
told Clappingo and Camly that I really didn't want that time when I was college. So I told my friend that I want to start like a collaboration, but it is free, no any investment. I really wanted to do that. So, but and he searched a lot because boys do a lot of
they want
research.
to do for a girl.
And
Yeah.
also they are kind of technical,
Mhm.
knowledge
In
they have.
technical- yeah. So your friend is good, I think.
So he shared me about Skype. And at that time, nobody shared me, any YouTuber, nobody. Only my friend shared me. Like he told me about this application, really helpful for your collaboration. And that time I was not even understanding that it is called conversation. I was thinking collaboration, podcast. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, we know about podcast only. So that time I started my journey, and when I was researching also on YouTube, so that time I got to know that it is called conversation, and in English, so a lot of people are there. I saw a lot of videos of Clappingo and
Mhm.
Camly. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that I started.
Yeah. And and tell me like about your YouTube videos. So are you editing your all videos by your own?
No,
Somebody help?
like previously I was editing all, okay, initially, but it was very tough. Like my challenging video I was editing, and I was kind of demotivated by editing all the things. I was
Mhm.
just feeling very exhausted. I was not able to do anything initially. Only just focusing editing, then how could I produce, which I want?
Yeah,
which
yeah,
I
yeah.
want to share, which I have experienced. So I was thinking like it is not possible. And I have clear mindset that I want to do various
It
things
was,
in
yeah.
English. Yeah, I really want to dive into this language and explore, experiment. So for that I need to explore and I need editor or I need anyone team. But I had it. Okay, but
Mhm.
yeah, at the same time, like my institute, that friend, as I told you, he's a member of my institute. We have institute,
What kind
so
of?
he
You
supports
will
me a
tell me
lot.
after. Yeah. Tell me
Yeah.
about your
So
institute.
okay, so we have institute,
What kind?
and it's a skills development.
Skill development.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this is in our area. Actually, it's a rural and tea garden area. It is
Mm-hmm.
rural, so here a lot of people are not aware about skills and
So skill
soft
development
skills.
by the government, or there are
Uh,
certain program.
yes. Certification we provide, and it is about computer and also personality development
Yeah,
and
yeah,
communication, all the courses which we provide. Yeah. So
yeah.
this type of courses we had. But initially, when we started our institute, that time I was not teaching English because I was learning at that time. When we started, my sister and I started the institute. Okay,
Oh, so you
and
both are
then
managing this.
yes,
You
sorry.
both are managing this institute.
Yeah, my sister actually she runs this institute, but like sharing everything, discussing all the things, and managing also like marketing and all things. We
Mm-hmm.
do each other, and also one of my brothers I have, and he also partnership. You can say like we do manage together. But that time, I was not that much indulging myself here, and even I was not focusing institute related because I was studying college. Okay, so after completing college, and I was learning during my college English language. So when I completed my college, I started teaching English in institute also, and currently online also. Yeah,
Yeah. So you are teaching now.
yeah, online offline both.
Wow, yaar. And you're so sweet, yeah. You are, speaking and the expressing is good. And yeah, tell me about your daily routine, like what you are doing throughout the day, in the morning, in the noon, and afternoon. Like, tell me everything.
Yes. Previously, my daily routine was so good, okay, so productive. But I will say that all nowadays it's just messed up. As you can understand, as a YouTuber, it happens. Now
Uh,
everything is messed up. I even wake up late, even I
mhm.
sleep late, and all the time, YouTube, English. this, these things are happening with me nowadays. So I can tell you that my daily routine is just not proper way going on, which I want. Basically, when I was in college, I was really focusing everything, doing meditation and
Oh,
doing exercise, doing yoga, and also praying every day. I was just worshipping every day, like daily routine, productive daily routine. I was making to-do list. I was writing journal. I really love to write journal. Okay,
that's
so I
good.
was doing all the things when I was in college. That's how I learned English actually. I was too focused on my career improvement because that time I was alone and I just wanted to explore myself in my
Yeah,
college life.
that time you also told me that I'm living alone, so this is the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yes.
yeah, so you want that time you wanted to improve your personality and all these things.
Mhm.
So how
Yeah.
did you start your English? Like, what kind of practices you did or you are doing throughout the day? I think nowadays you are not doing that much because you are having
Yeah.
good conversational
Mhm.
videos and you don't need even, you know. So how do you start? Like, how did you start?
Yeah. Nowadays, I'm just teaching and learning proper grammar, you can say, because how I learned, if I talk about with you, then only watching grammar, understanding concept. That's how I learned grammar for the requirement of speaking, right? So even I was making mistakes, but now I improved a lot. I don't make mistakes. Very rarely I make mistakes, but not that much. But
Hmm.
previously I was making mistakes. And if I talk about initially how I started learning, how what I did, so it was a lot of things that I did. I experiment a lot about English language because I really wanted to teach. I really wanted to learn this language. So before
Hmm.
that, I have to experiment. I have to research.
And
So
you shared one thing that you want to be a trainer, English trainer.
yes, still I still now again I every time I say, and that day also I told you. So my mind was clear. Okay, for
Hmm.
what I want to do, because in student like what happens, we don't have clarity what we want to
Mhm.
do, what we can do. So I just made myself. I was living alone, as I told you. I was living alone, so I was just motivated through myself. Like I was just a very focused girl at that time. I was even not going college. I was living outside
Oh,
for the
okay.
college, for home. But I was not going college because it was COVID-19. Yeah, so we did online. But third year, we did offline. But although what happened in third year, we just focused in something. We don't go college, right?
So have you
So
completed your college? Have you completed your college? Okay, that's
yeah,
good. So now
master.
masters, good, good, good. So you want to study more?
Time session. Let's give it introduction each other. Okay. I
Now
think we should.
we, I
For the
think
audience,
for the audience,
now we have to talk for 15 minutes.
yeah, but it's good. Yeah, I think it's going in a good way. Let's do like you want. If you want, then I'll give you my introduction.
Yeah. Little bit you can give.
So as for the viewers, for not Sweta, for the viewers, so you will cut this part before.
No, no, no. Introduction you can tell
Hmm.
because they don't know, right?
So for all your viewers, on your channel, my name is Rahul Doon and I'm from Jaipur. I've completed my graduation this year, and after completed, actually, when I was pursuing my college, that time I was doing some jobs. I did several jobs, I think two, three jobs. Last year I was a teacher in a school, and this year I quit that job because I found it so hectic for me. So and I gave an interview this year after quitting that job. I gave an interview, and that time, I the HR insulted me due to my poor communication in English. So I
Hmm.
decided to learn this language at any cost before going to any interviews. So that time I started my English journey in June 2024. Actually, if I tell you before that, last year I decided to learn this language, but that time I was a teacher and I was not having good proper time to give it. So I didn't give, and this year I committed, and I've been doing it since 1
Full
July.
time.
Yeah, so I'm
Full time
continuously.
YouTuber.
What?
Full time YouTuber nowadays,
Full
right?
time YouTuber, guys. Full time YouTuber.
We both. I
Yes.
know we both like we have started together.
Yeah, and I want to pursue it like in my future because I found it like really good, interacting with people and making content and upgrading my all the setup and all these things. So I love it.
Yes. Yeah, I also love it doing this. And because we improve a lot, we know each other that when we were talking that much, we were not. But
Hmm.
now we can see a lot of improvement, a
Yeah,
lot
very
of hard
slow
work we
journey.
did.
Yeah, the journey was
Yeah.
great. Like,
And
yeah.
we are the reality, you can say. We are the example of achievement, something in our life that you can say improvement, which we
Yeah,
have done.
because a lot of people want it, want to do these kind of things. So
Mhm.
as if they want, then they can. All the viewers can watch my previous video, yours previous video. So
Yes.
in this way,
Mhm.
they easily get the idea that when
Yeah.
like what is the beginning,
Yeah, exactly. We are the example, and even we are helping people, isn't it? We are learning together, like we are learning in the learning phase. We are connecting with everyone.
Mhm.
They are getting help from each other. So it is also one platform that they post,
Mhm.
isn't it?
Yeah, and your thing is good. Thinking is good. And you know what? My motto is just to motivate people. Like you can learning this, and we are not here to be a fluent native speaker. If we are
Yes,
comfortable with this language and having the conversation with someone, it's okay. Do
that's
we
fine.
don't we don't need to use fancy words, this, that, whatever. Eventually, ultimately we will do. We will do, but
Yeah,
it's a journey. So try to enjoy this journey.
this
So
is
this
the
is
process, right? In this
Mm,
process, we just need to enjoy and need to practice every day. And
mm,
in that, how we'll improve. And that's how we'll upgrade. Definitely will improve after 1 year, 2 years more than what we are now.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Right?
You tell me about yourself now.
Yeah, okay. So I also really want to know more about it because you know that
Yeah,
time we talked very less. I think, but we
yeah, yeah.
talked. We understood a lot
Yeah,
of things about each
yeah.
other. But yeah,
Same here.
so, same like we improved a lot. I'm just I can't believe myself that we started some like months
Yeah.
ago, and
Yeah.
we discussed that we want to come on YouTube, and
Yeah.
finally we came and we did something.
Yeah.
I know that I watch you, I comment you sometimes, and even I like your videos and the way edit all the things. Amazing, just amazing. Go ahead. Keep
Thanks.
keep keep practicing, keep growing, and keep making videos. As I told you also one video when you
Yeah.
made first time and you shared me, and I told you make everyday videos, you will definitely improve. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that worked.
Yeah. That is the thing that needed.
Okay, so as you asked me about my journey, I think I shared many times. Okay, so
Yeah.
actually, now I'm telling you in a very brief manner. People know a lot of people know about my journey. They
Mm.
say maybe they will get bored about my journey,
Yeah.
but
So
yeah,
you can tell me something interesting that you want to share right now for all the viewers that you didn't share now, yet. So you can share
okay.
something.
I shared
You
many
know,
things. Like I have completed. Do you know I have completed more than 85 videos having conversation.
More than
85. More than
oh.
85. So I shared many things, okay. So,
Mhm.
but although again I'm telling you in a short way, in a very brief way that I did. Actually, I was just I was watching a lot of videos and I was focusing on listening. I was focusing on watching properly. Just a minute, anyone is calling me. Okay.
Yeah.
So how I did, if I say to you, then I started with listening because I completed my school in Bengali medium. I was not aware English language. I was even not able to read, not able to, understand, not able to write properly. I was just memorizing while during my school life. And all of a sudden I took English literature, English, So that was my very tough time because I was not understanding lectures. So started learning English first because literature is subject. And before diving into the subject, you need to know English language, right? So the same happened in our school life also. Those who are Hindi medium or those who are Bengali medium, they need what they need first understanding the language. But what we do, we study subject. We don't understand language, but we study subject because we have the subject, not as a language. So that was very, bad for me and for every student, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we don't know language. We never listen any language about English language. I'm talking about. So how could I learn? How could we learn? Question comes in our mind. Because we learn any language by listening, by observing, by getting environment, right? So what I did, if I tell you, in my college life, I just set my mind strongly. Strong mindset we need here, and why I want to do and I also decided target that no, I want to become fluent English, like a speaker, fluent speaker in English. Like I want to speak in a better way, not in like tutti frutti English. Okay, so that time I started my journey by listening, understanding, method, what they share. YouTubers, what they share. We get a lot of videos on YouTube free of cost. So I was just understanding all YouTubers, those who teach English. I was understanding them that what they share actually methods, techniques, ideas, tips, tricks, and concept. Yeah. So I was not learning English but understanding their concept, and in English only I was watching. I never practiced like translation kind of thing, Hindi to English. I was not watching like that.
Because you are from Bengali medium, so I think that's why.
Even I was not watching Bengali to English video. Only I was watching English. Because I was thinking that when I'm learning the method, techniques, everything, I'm learning in English and at the same time I'm listening also their language. So both are the fulfilling at the same time.
And that thing you shared, this is the important, like mindset is important. You shared, mindset is very, very important. Burning desire is important, and goal is important. What we want to do, what we will do with this language. So I think this is the thing, and commitment. I will do it at any cost.
Exactly.
This is the thing.
And a lot of structures we need to follow. One thing, if we do one thing, then we can improve. Like only listening, we can improve. But fluently, properly, and as soon as possible, if we want. So we need to do a lot of things at the same time. I was doing actually. What I was doing, I was listening, and when I was listening mindfully. I was understanding everything, like each and every word, sentences, vocabulary, what they use, native speaker or not native speaker. I was listening podcast, Indian speaker.
That's a good thing.
Better, yeah, because I was not understanding the native speaker what they speak, and even I was not like I didn't want actually. I really wanted to listen Indian speaker like clear, which I did. Yeah, so I was listening a lot of podcast, Ranveer podcast, and also and a lot of series I was watching, and also dubbed movies I was watching. English dubbed movies, so I was watching that type of, and even what I did, I started writing also, I started reading also. Now watching, listening I was doing, but I have to do so many things, which is writing and reading and also thinking. So I did everything. Like when I was writing, I was thinking a lot in English, and as I told you that I used to do journal. The journal like my what do we can healing process, because I was living alone
in a childhood.
And I had no friends in my college life, and I didn't get chance to open up myself in college because COVID-19, and also my completed school in girls school, so I didn't get opportunity to open up myself. So what I did.
Okay, you faced something with while talking to boys or something,
Boys, everyone. I didn't get chance till now. I don't interact with people as much. Now online, fine. Everyone is connecting with me, and now we are talking.
Everybody wants to connect with you.
But if you talk about offline, till now I didn't get any friends because I'm busy to improving myself. And also, what happened? I don't go outside that much. I really love to travel, but I don't go. Because I feel that I need to do something in me.
Now you are doing. I watched your video about Teachers' Day. I think you shared something. You did a speech or in your school.
Yes.
In your school or institute?
Institute, in institute. In our
that was good. Like, I feel that why.
It was good.
Yeah. Really,
my first speech, you can say, as a teacher. Like last year, my Teachers' Day, if you talk about as a teacher, then 2 years I completed. Last year and this year. But last year, what happened? I was not confident to talk that much. But this year, talked automatically. Like I didn't get, I didn't prepare anything, nothing, nothing. But my mindset is very strong now. So whatever I talk in a very positive manner. I think so. So
Yeah.
environment was, students were there. So I
Mm.
feel that for students, what I can talk. I didn't want to talk about Teachers Day. Like I just wanted to talk about the student and
Mm.
what we can expect
And
or anything.
there are also so many panel speakers. All the with you, I think 4 or 5 people are there.
They all are members
Teachers,
of
member.
institute. Yeah, actually, we have a computer teacher, we have coding teacher, and we have also personality development. My sister does, and she teaches, beautician department, and my
Okay.
department is English.
You English teacher, Shweta. That's good. That's good.
That's how, as I was sharing, we are sharing a lot of things, just going here and there.
Yeah, genuinely. Yeah.
Can't
But yeah,
complete one conversation,
such a great conversations. And
Yes.
I love the way you expressing yourself, you are sharing all the things, and you feel like you are enjoying your life. You are, you really love you. I mean, so this is the thing. And tell me about this thing about your journaling or about your self-care routine or what you are doing as a girl, or it doesn't matter. Like just share with you all the viewers. What are you doing about
Yeah.
everything, to improve yourself?
If I talk about journaling, journaling is amazing part in my life. I changed my life by doing journaling and doing yoga. Yoga is also amazing for me because I was feeling really productive and mindset was good. So I did in my college life. I got to understand actually what happened. I was watching Aman Dhattarwal sir a lot in my college life. Yeah,
Mm.
that time I was just he was saying that we need to experiment, we need to explore in college days. So I got motivated from him actually, Aman Dhattarwal sir,
Aman
and
bhai.
I started my journey in that way. And Mahatma Ji Technical also I was following him.
Mm.
But
And
he was making education.
he's also
Yeah.
from your side, I think. He's from Jharkhand, or I think Bihar, I think.
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
I don't know where is he from, but
He's good.
actually making related to education and giving motivation to students little bit. But nowadays he makes the creation, creating type of tech videos. Yeah.
YouTube videos, yeah.
So actually they motivated me actually because I was not understanding a lot of people, but I knew them only. So
Mm-hmm.
motivation, and I was thinking that whatever I am doing, just I need to experiment. I didn't have any environment. I know that. I knew at that my college time, nobody was there, nobody was talking with me. Can you imagine? They were all English medium students, okay? And I would belong to Bengali medium, and I had friends very less. College friend is not that much.
Personal, or I can say, yeah. Yeah,
So
rather
it,
than friends. Yeah.
And even when I was living outside, out of home in college, that time, I was staying with roommate, but I felt that my self improvement is important. Now I need to stay alone, and I just leave
Change.
that. I left. Yeah, I
Yeah.
changed my room and I started living alone. And I was not talking with anyone, and even I was not going college because I was not getting that much value and also attention with anyone because my personality was not good. My personality was not good that time because you can understand we are from rural area and I didn't open up myself and I went college in city, so
Yeah.
that time
But,
was very
but
bad.
you know what? This is the time where we can improve ourselves. We think that, oh, I am somewhere lacking or not good, so I should improve there. And
So
you know what? When we are living alone, I was also living alone in 2019, before Corona time. So I can understand. That time it's very productive for us. We can easily improve ourselves because that time we are thinking about ourselves, where we are, where we should improve ourselves, our personality, the way we are talking, and our appearance and all these things. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And even I was not sharing with anyone. I was everything doing silently, just focusing on myself, making videos. I had phone. My sister gave me in college life. So I had a phone, okay. And I was just making blog, what I did in a day, like a daily routine kind of things, sharing productive what to-do list, and also writing journal as I told you.
In
That
which
what happened in a
in
day.
which year?
Yes.
Which year?
It
Which
was
year?
2022 and 2023. Exactly.
Mhm. So that
So,
time you start knowing about this YouTube.
yeah, actually 2021 I started doing some good things, experimenting myself because
Mm-hmm.
I understood that now I completed my school, so I have to do something in my life. So 2021 I was not getting proper environment that much because I was living with roommate, as I told you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
2022 and 2023 I got full time to experiment for me. Yeah, alone I did. Because what happened when I was going college, I was feeling demotivation a lot. I was not getting any attention. I was not talking with anyone. It means
Mm.
like in my birthday, nobody wished me. Okay.
And not worth it, like this kind of
Mm.
feeling.
I was feeling like I'm something, like what happened to me, like my personality is not good. So I didn't say anything. I was crying a lot.
Oh,
College,
okay.
sitting writing journal, and I was just writing in English. I that time I was not writing properly in English, making mistakes a lot grammatical. But yes, I was just sharing in English everything, whatever my feeling was going on, emotions, and what I want to do in my life. Even I wrote a lot of things. I want to become fluent in 2023, and that was fulfilled. Actually, I can see my diary. When I check my diary, I have created some, you can say, vision board,
Vision board was
and
this. Yeah, yeah.
uh, in
So you
universe.
manifest.
Yeah, I was manifesting a lot. And when I was going college, also, I was manifesting that, okay, everyone is liking me, everyone, these things I was doing.
That's good.
It was not happening, okay, because it was late for me. All of a sudden, like, easily, instantly, we don't get that result.
Mm-hmm.
Instantly I work on myself and manifest and believe in universe, and I was just only believing in that's not enough. We have to work on that.
Work on
So
it. Yeah.
gradually I worked and completed 3 years, and now I am talking with you in this way.
Work.
I think I'm able to talk and getting confident and getting energy and getting power just because of this.
Everything. Yeah. And
This girl is very underconfident girl, was in college time. This girl was not talking with people. Personality was not good. So like that I was, but now I think improving myself.
so what do you think about your turning point? Like where you think that yeah, that was my turning point. After that my life has completely changed.
Only I can tell you, I was understanding that I improved myself by myself, like doing everything, journaling, understanding, focusing, yoga, meditation. I was doing everything, but I was not understanding where I will experiment that thing. People will see me how to reach to people. So yes, I already created my YouTube channel in 2020. Okay, for making blogging, Hindi blogging I was making, and I was making songs. Like I love
Yeah,
to sing,
you're
so I was
saying.
singing.
Yeah.
As I told you also. So I was doing, but I was not active on my old channel. I have 5 plus subscribers, but I am not active on that channel. So that time I decided that YouTube is the platform where I can use my experience and my knowledge, and that is in English. And English changed my life. And English is the thing that I get everything which I have now. Yeah.
By that's good.
But you can say.
Yeah, you are doing good, yeah. The way you are, having conversation with people, everybody wants to connect with you. So this is the thing, people will admire us when we explore more people. We will, go for more people. So this is the thing. everybody, everybody um, has talent in themselves, but if they are thinking in a negative way, it's not the thing. We should explore more, we should connect with more people. People will appreciate us at any cost, because everybody has, a good thing in
Yeah.
themselves. So what about what about Lord Krishna? I think you admire him a lot, like you are worshipping, or you tell
Yeah.
me about
Okay, actually, since childhood, we are like whole family is devotee kind of spirituality we follow. We worship a lot, and we don't eat non-veg. We are a vegetarian whole family, like my mother, sister, I. So that was there, but we were worshipping every god. But now, like first, first god you can say my. Uh, soul is saying to me to Lord Krishna. Like every god, I worship every god. But
Mm,
first god for me, that
devotion.
is
Yeah, yeah. You,
you can say
you are
Paramatma is
devoted.
my Lord Krishna.
That's good. What
Actually,
about
also we are, you can say, like belong to Yaduvanshi.
mm,
So
mm,
that's why also Yaduvanshi kind of, Krishna. So
mhm.
that's why.
So
For that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So what's your hobbies? Uh, tell me about your hobbies.
Okay, so my hobby, if I talk about with you, my hobbies, a lot of things are there, like experimenting things, which I can do. Not everything, I cannot do everything, right? So, which I can do, that is, I love to do. Like, I want to learn properly singing. I love to sing, as I told you already. So, traveling also, which I want, but I haven't done yet. I want to start in future.
What's your
First, I have to improve
what's your
myself.
destination? Your future destination, dream destination, I can say.
Everywhere, everywhere. A lot of temples I really want to visit.
In
You know,
abroad, in abroad. Want to go?
Everett, yeah, if I get chance, definitely I'll visit. But I haven't decided this place I will visit. But traveling is there. Like wherever I'll go, I'll enjoy. Yeah.
Hmm. What about your family?
Okay. Oh, we have already completed 40
अरे
minutes.
चलने दो एक तो ना इसको.
Okay, what do you want to know about my family?
Everything about your family members, and about your sister, about your brother, about your mom and dad, and everything, like every single person, and about your you know professions of their about your institute. And
Yeah. Actually, my mother and my mom and I, we are three only living together, not like anyone is there. Like my father is not living with us. That's a personal thing, you can understand. So, but we live, my sister and I, we are doing in our life everything for my mother. Okay, my mother is a homemaker.
you deserve. You deserve.
Mhm. So actually, we are not that much joint family or any kind of. It's a nuclear family. Only my mother, my mom, like my mother and my sister and I. Just we are. And my sister, if I talk about what she does, she is the owner of our institute. She manages everything, and she's a very talented girl, and she has a lot of quality, not like more than me. Okay, so I inspiration from her only. She teaches me everything to become motivated, to become, to do something in my life. She guides me a lot actually. She's everything to do what I am now.
So when did you started your? I mean, when did you start your institute?
Okay, actually, when I was doing college, it means like 2021, and we started our institute that time, and so
Okay.
it's completed 3 years.
Yeah. And if you want to share, then tell me, like about finances, like who's managing your whole family expenses, all these things. If
Yes,
you
yes.
want.
Okay, sure, why not? I can share with you. So previously, as I told you that my sister does everything and I was a student. I was not earning in my college life. So everything my sister was doing, she is like she struggles a lot. Like you can understand, she struggles a lot, and she did a lot of things to do and to earn, to establish herself. She was exploring a lot herself to establish herself or independent herself, because my mother, what she can do for us, right? She is also not educated, so somehow she taught us, okay, by some like very, it's a very difficult to tell with you, but it was very struggle time for my mother also, because she does everything by herself initially when we were a child. But my sister started doing a lot of things. She get struggle a lot because of nobody was there to see us. My sister took all the responsibility. She started doing earning, or you can say searching job in 15, 16 years when she was.
Okay, there you go.
Where she can get job, anything like NGO, or she was searching, some, what we can say, shop, mobile shop, and clothes shop to earn for balancing life. That was time, it was very difficult. I can't tell you how we suffered and how we struggled and how we managed. Okay, and that time I was, very young. My sister is more than 5 years older than me.
Okay.
So more than, sorry, 5 years. She is 5 years older than me. Older than me.
Older than
So
you.
she did everything. I got the chat, or you can say, the backside was my sister. She did everything, but she was alone actually, and that's how she started her business mindset. Business mindset. She was she wanted to do something her life, but she was not getting opportunity. She was not getting any background, anything support, anything not getting. So she was doing shop, mobile work, like mobile shop work and clothes business, like she was doing like that. Okay, then she started doing business, network marketing, product based company. I think you.
Yeah. Wow, yes, she did a lot of things.
Lot of things. So that time, when she started doing all network marketing things, she improved herself. She made herself as a leadership, leadership quality, and also she has leadership quality and a speaker, kind of motivational speaker, and also personality. Her personality is also great. Like the way she talks, she is the extrovert, and I'm an introvert. So I talk very less, but when it needs, when point to point, or when we need to talk, that time I talk. But my sister is like, she talks with every member, and she deals with a lot of, like
obstacles, troubles. Yeah.
She deals with businessmen. She talks with businessmen. She does, meeting kind of things, organizing shop, seminar kind of things.
Offline.
So she, and that's how she improved herself. Like practically we didn't get any opportunity to learn, but we did by doing gradually. We improved, okay, and that's how she grown herself, and she has grown herself. And then we started our institute, because what happened? It was COVID-19, and the network marketing was just down. Okay? And nobody was working properly, and at home it is not possible. So she felt very bad, and she got depressed also for 1 year. She was thinking what she will do now, next what? COVID-19, we have to survive, and who will see us, right? So she decided to start institute, by our own institute, and anything. She had no any courses to start institute. Okay. But she started institute, and she searched teacher. She was not teaching, but she searched teacher, and she arranged teacher, and she started.
She did everything like a businessman, and businesswoman. Like, wow.
Yeah, thinking is very bright and big, like manager kind of thinking she has. But I'm what I just want to teach, explore, and enjoy life. That's what I want. But her quality is managing. Management is.
But now this is your time to
Yeah.
give her something. Yeah, not something.
But now I can tell you that we started a lot of courses now. That time we had no courses, only basic computer courses we're providing. We were providing. That time I was also in college. I was not able to manage all the things. My sister was doing everything alone. And as I told you, one partnership brother was there. So he was also supporting. They were doing together. But finally, now we added courses after learning. I learned English and then I am teaching now. My sister learned beautician, then now she is teaching beauty also, personality course also, and computer coding. That's how this is our story, you can say. Full story I have shared.
Great, yeah. Your sister is also really great, as you have said. Good. So,
Struggled a lot.
so like you all are earning by institute now. What
Yeah.
about your earning?
We are earning, but not that much because it's a rural area, okay? We can't afford but to in very less money. We just to focus to help them most of the time. We visit door to door to aware them that these skills are important. You need to do. They don't have idea to do all this.
You should do, yeah. This is the thing. Door to door conversation is, convincing it's good thing.
Yeah.
I did in school, yeah. So this is the thing, and yeah, you shared everything, I think.
Yeah. So that's how we started, and now I am earning. So actually, we are managing together. Like this apartment.
You tell me about your YouTube earning. Like, are you earning right now? I think you started.
Yes, I started earning, but I didn't get yet.
Okay, $100 required, I think.
Yeah.
So how much you have?
It has already increased to 100, not $100, but it increased more than $200. But I didn't get yet because I need to verify all the things. Like I have to go bank first. I got the AdSense account.
AdSense pin. I watched your that blog. Yeah.
But for getting money, I have to go bank. And I am not getting time to go bank, but yes, I will go. Then it will be complete.
Yeah. But these are, saving. You will get it. That's good.
Yeah.
Even I don't want to stop it.
Yeah. Next time when we will talk, I really want to know more about you, like lots of things about you. We'll discuss. Today I think I discussed a lot about, like now I can't ask a lot of questions to you, right? But yeah, next conversation we'll talk again more as we are doing same thing. So yeah, of course we can share.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time, right? I think we can't do any other thing. Now we have to only focus a lot.
What you are doing great. You are doing so great.
Only with this work. Isn't it?
Understand.
You are also doing great. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
And this is the first conversation where I felt really, awesome, and it's kind of real podcast. Like I was asked you so many good questions and everything. I think who will watch it, and all the viewers, they can easily get all things about you.
Yeah.
I'll upload it.
I didn't think that it would be like this way. I was just thinking that we will talk normally, we'll discuss about that how we started these things, but literally it was so good. I think I shared a lot of things which I haven't shared till now to anyone, but I have shared with you a lot of things. Yeah. Exactly.
But
Casually
you shared casually, so I think it's a good thing. Casually, you shared casually things, in a casual way. We are not here to professionally asking each other.
And also one thing is there that we need person like same person to share like what
And
we
vibe.
vibing is matching a lot. So that's why we are continuing to talk about all the things.
Yeah.
Approx more than 53 minutes.
Yeah. It's almost 1 hour.
And we are sweating a lot also. I can
Yeah.
see. I can see.
But we do
Because we
comment.
are not using stand, right? Are you using that?
Yeah, but not that much. Because I'm not using mic, so that's why its speed is not that much.
I'm not using at all.
अरे यार हवा खाओ तुम अब
Noises are coming that way. Noises are coming that way.
ओके ठीक है फिर करते हैं अपन दोबारा बात करेंगे
Okay, all right. We'll discuss more about all the things. Thank you so much. And it was just amazing conversation, really.
yeah
Right.
have a good night
Okay then.